remember to please like, subscribe to my channel, and press the bell icon to get new video updates. Thank you. Natatakot ka bang humarap sa camera? Camera shy? Introvert? Isa ka ba sa mga yun? Kahit alam mo naman na walang tao sa paligid mo. Well, ngayong araw, pag-uusapan natin kung paano ma-overcome ang mga ito. Okay, so tip number 1, own the frame. Isipin mo na lang na ikaw lang ang tao sa frame. Ikaw lang ang nagsasalita at walang ibang tao na pwedeng magsalita, kundi ikaw lang. Tip number 2, own the camera. Ibig sabihin nito, kailangan nakafocus lang kayo sa camera. Kailangan magkaroon kayo ng eye contact sa viewers ninyo or sa kausap ninyo. Like what you normally do whenever you speak or converse to your friends without the camera. So, ganun din po ang gagawin ninyo sa harapan ng camera. Parang normal lang na pag-uusap. That way, mabibuild mo yung trust ng kausap mo and trust rin para sa sarili mo. Tip number 3, be passionate. Being passionate is important in life. Pero may mga drawbacks rin to. With all good things, sabi nila, too much of it could be damaging. Being passionate isn't just about knowing. It's also about feeling. Well-known YouTubers, artists, or any individuals, they're no different than you or even me. Pare-pareho lang tayo. But they focus on that frame. They focus, right into the camera. Okay, and they're so passionate in whatever they do. So yun lang ang dapat natin gawin. And guys, we really have to apply this in everyday life. Even not in front of the camera. So itong buhay, kahit walang camera. Okay? That way, wala nang magiging introvert, wala nang magiging shy na tao, at magiging positibo lahat ng tao. At matutupad lahat ng gusto ng bawat tao. Actually, ang video na to ay hindi lang para ituro kung paano humarap sa camera, kundi para rin ituro kung paano maging maayos na content creator. Okay, sinimulan ko na. Ikaw naman ang susunod. Salamat. Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates.